Hello everybody, in this video I will talk with you about how to avoid limitations on your AliExpress purchase account and how to avoid defects rate on eBay when you work with dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. So this question is something which I get a lot of people who just started to do dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay, and also from more advanced people who just started to get a lot of sales and then they start to have these problems. About which problems I'm talking. So when you work with dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay using AliPay, in a lot of cases you will have a message like this. But 1 second before we start with this message, I want to introduce myself. My name is Pozin, I'm owner and CEO of AutoDS. So about this message. This message is a message which can pop up on AliExpress just for a verification process from AliExpress about your credit card. What's happening when we have this message? First of all, we can't make and can't process any order in our AliExpress account. In this situation, we will have delays on our eBay account, and also we can't really proceed any orders, and it can take up to 5 days and sometimes even more. So this is why we want to avoid this situation, or if we get this situation, what should we do? So let's go over the 3 tips which I created for you and I prepared for you to show you in this video. So the first thing is that I recommend you to have at least 2 AliExpress accounts, because in this way, when one of your accounts has been suspended and have this message, you can still go to the other account and create there the orders. In meanwhile, you will just open this message and provide to AliExpress all of the documents that they request. All of the documents which you created for this message, like ID card and the photos which they request in the process, I recommend you to save in a folder in your computer, because after that AliExpress in a few months will request you to do the same process again. So to save time, I recommend you to save it in a folder somewhere in your computer, so the next time will be much easier. The tip number 2 is that when you create another AliExpress account, I recommend you to use different credit cards, because if the credit card will be the same on both accounts, so both accounts will be suspended together, and then it doesn't help you really this that you have 2 different accounts. So I recommend you these 2 tips for the start. The first one is 2 accounts, the second one is that the account should be with different credit cards. The tip number 3, I already created a video yesterday about AliPocket. So if you use AliPocket, your chance to get this message are much lower, because you will make much less transactions using your credit card, and then you will have the balance on your account. So I recommend you to use AliPocket, but if you don't use, just use at least 2 different AliExpress accounts, and then you will be covered for these cases. Also, if you already got this message, you can contact AliExpress using the chat button. Now they added this button, so you can just send them an email and request them to speed up the process, because you want the product fast, and that you just write there that you are really waiting for this. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and write down in the comments if you already got this situation, if this video helped you, and if you have any other questions or any other videos requests that you want me to create for you. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.